Hi, I'm Marcie Castleberry and I'm a pediatrician at the Murfreesboro Medical Clinic, and I'm going to talk to you about poison ivy. First of all, there's an excellent video on YouTube that is by Mr. Poison Ivy, and it is really good for learning to identify poison ivy. And that's the first step in treating poison ivy, is to avoid it, because it is a terrible rash. If you're allergic to it, it can be a miserable 2 or 3 weeks for sure. About 50 to 75% of people are allergic to poison ivy, so most of us are. So you want to avoid it for sure. So if you do break out into the poison ivy rash, which usually shows up 4 hours to 4 days after exposure, first what you want to do is be sure you've washed your skin really well so that the oil that causes the rash has been washed off of your skin. Also, be really sure that you're not continuing to get exposed. So if you have some hiking boots that maybe have gotten the poison ivy oil on them, or if you have an animal that's going out in the woods, you need to be sure and avoid that, get all that washed off. The next thing is, you can use over-the-counter treatments. They can provide some benefit, but not a lot. Probably the best thing to do is call your healthcare provider. Go ahead and get an appointment, let them take a look at it, see what they think it might be, and what the best way is to treat it. Sometimes topical steroids, sometimes even systemic steroids, where you have to either have an injection or an oral steroid, is warranted. So your healthcare provider can help you with that. But stay safe this summer. Enjoy being outside, get out there, but learn how to identify poison ivy and stay away.